Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Again, we're going to do another original design. This is the Simmons Wrap knot. So you're going to need a tie and a gear tie or anything that's like you can get this at any home improvement store. It's just like a rubber Chanel stem type thing, or you can use a Chanel stem if you want, but I'm going to use a gear tie. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to have this at the belt line. We're going to have it on my left side again. We're going to come over, we're going to put a dimple in, we're going to bring the skinny end up and over, there we go. And then we're going to come around like this, and we're going to come back up and over like this. So this is where I'm going to put my gear tie in. I'm going to insert it right here. And then I'm just going to wrap it around, actually, like this. And this will be a little harder to work with. We're going to fold this in half, the tie that is, bring it across like this, bring it around, and then bring the gear tie like this, and then like this, because then you can put tie through it. Just make a loop. If the gear tie doesn't come exactly like that, and you can, the point is you just want it to kind of look similar to that, so you can just put the tie around it. Wrap this around. And bring this down here like this. So then you have this right here. We're going to call this the Simmons Wrap, but I'm going to be using this gear tie a lot here coming up, so you're going to be seeing a lot of cool designs with it. So we're going to start using those props. Started getting ideas to do this from guys like Noel Junio and Boris Mocha, and even Linwood Darkus. So you're going to see more of those coming. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials to see the picture of this knot. Peace and God bless.